Sorkar Meghalaya negasngi kalaya soya ke soskular bat ke NTPC Limited ban kentiu ya kejing penmi boarding ha kejelah. Kani ke soskular laya soy negasngi hanong ba Delhi ha kejing don lang menteri rang ba kejelah ukurat sangma menteri ketenat boarding Abu Tahir Mondal Gurdip Singh Chairman but Managing Director jongka NTPC Limited bat Sanjay Goyal CMD MEECL. Kajing soya kani kasos kolar kedai umau mer banyak trailang nak kebenta ban kentiu ya karoi kepar hakeleng kejelah. Menteri ketenat boarding eti mondal habakran hagani kesngi ula banjur ya kejing don kam banyak trailang man penbet ya kejing ba kejelah ke ya kendu kamtam habai dei bat kejing penbiang ya ka boarding. Ula penpawi kejing kermen ba lengba kani kejing trailang kan wanra ya kejing mentoy hakatan hi baro kawai.
अंदर खाली होगा और खाली तो नहीं है एटलीस्ट ये भी हाँ ये भी
This time we were passing through a big crisis as far the power generation and so also distribution is concerned. Our consumers were subjected to a lot of inconveniences, and that's why Honorable Chief Minister was thinking that how to come over of this crisis, and accordingly we were discussing with NTPC, who are having all experience, knowledge and infrastructure to give an associate with us to bail out of this situation, and today we signed the memorandum. We hope that this will go in a big way as far the power generation and distribution is concerned for the state.